AvPro is proud to present this Pilatus PC-24, serial number 252. The super versatile PC-24 uniquely combines the spacious cabin and payload capacity of a mid-sized jet with the high performance and low costs of operation typical of a light jet. Its exceptional short and unfinished field capabilities provide mobility unparalleled in today's turbine aircraft market. Additional features of the PC-24 include the Honeywell Primus Epic 2.0 avionics suite with auto throttles, Smart View synthetic vision system, and dual touchscreen flight management systems. Serial number 252 offers a luxurious interior featuring an 8-seat double club executive layout. Seats are upholstered in Lavazza medium grain leather on the fronts, headrests, and armrests, with subtle grain leather on the backs and accent striping. Highlights include large baggage nets, forward cabinets, quilted seats, a stone entryway, and a leather inlaid table. The Welcome Center is elegantly designed with a stone countertop and frosted sink, complemented by a well-appointed forward galley. The Pilatus PC-24, serial number 252, presented exclusively by AvPro. AvPro, celebrating 30 years of excellence.